Miranda, and today I am going to be doing my drumroll please perfect tour featuring Miranda's singing voice. And our fridge is really cool. That's why I'm doing a fridge tour. Because if it's boring, I want to do a fridge tour. So before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when all my new videos come out. Okay, now let's get on with the video. Okay, so I got Jojo Siwa. So, and I have my Jojo Siwa bowl. It's very pretty. And haters back off. And I have these high-tech fridge because I'm very rich and famous. So, I have my fridge and it's just all mine. Haters back off. Don't steal it from me. And you know what you can do? You can look at the weather and you can go on Spotify and then we can make pies. But the fridge doesn't make good pies, so don't use it. They make really good pies. Okay, so we have two accounts here. This is the Smith family, which is everybody in the house. And then we have me because I'm a puppy. And I love puppies. So yeah. And then we have, and it tells you what day it is. If you forget, you're like, let me look at the fridge. And then you see it, and then it's the 24th. And so yeah. And we have all these nice apps. Internet is whatever you want. It can be whatever this is. It could be YouTube, Netflix, whatever you desire. Cool. And then we have this. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to check it out. Okay, no, we can't though. Okay. So then we have. Oh, you can make food, and you can look inside the fridge. See, you're looking inside. Oh. Can I press confirm? Thank you. Look. And it tells you what is spoiled and what is not spoiled. Like a few days ago, it told us that this ginger ale was spoiled. No. It was spoiled. Well, about to. Yeah. Now it's settings. Settings. Did I say that right? Okay. So then we have connections. We have display. Whatever. Do we can't? No. We don't have to go through the whole thing. It's too much. And then we have a shopping list. Well, we have nothing on our shopping list. Oh, we need juice, butter, and bacon. We already have bacon. What? Okay. Oh, and you can draw. How do you do that again? Oh, yeah. This is what I drew. I tried to erase it. It didn't work. Oh, yes. I can erase it. And you can erase. So cool. Let me show you guys that. And you can draw. Like you save it, and then it's on your whiteboard. Now it's on the whiteboard. Because I love moving shoes. And we have Pandora. Pandora plays music. It is so loud. So I'll let you guys hear one a little bit because. And I can I won't unpause or do anything. So the fridge is breaking. So you can't hear. It can. It's like an Android phone. It's like a Samsung. It's a Samsung. Okay, and then I'm gonna insert Pandora and just gonna press Pandora. Now it's gonna reset Pandora. Let's see. Maybe that's correct. It's very, very loud. If you guys can hear. Do you hear how loud that is? That's why we mostly don't keep it all the way up. And then, anyway, moving on. And you can type on the fridge. I know, it's cool. Press that one, and then yes, I watch JoJo. I watch JoJo because I love JoJo. JoJo.
Super excited! As you guys know, last week I had a brand new song. Everyone was super real come out on the game called Star Stable.
Oh wow!
Jackie's really excited for that. This is.
And guys, please like and subscribe. I really want to meet JoJo. And I think that's all about this friend. This part of the friend will get a cup. And then you can get ice, crushed ice. You can get water. Like what? This fridge is high tech. Like if you want some ice with juice. Oh, do you guys want crushed or cubed? Okay, you want cubed? Give you what you want. Crushed ice. Let me tell you guys crushed ice. The crushed ice tastes so wild. Gives you what you want. And then water. Gives you water. Like if you want ice water, just get some crushed ice or cubed ice, whichever one you guys want, and then some water. Tastes delicious. I'll save this for later. Now, let's move on to the inside. Okay, so what we have to, well, let's look at this first. So we have all of our, what are these called?
Condiments.
Condiments. We have, this is very important, guys. You should get this. It goes on your ice cream. It's marshmallow fluff. You put it in the fridge. Do not put it anywhere else except the fridge, or else it will probably not taste good. Then we have these sauces. Like, then we have avocado mayonnaise. We have avocado mayonnaise. Like, basically just stuff that you put on your food as a dressing. And then we have carrots. I don't like carrots, but my mother does. I don't know why. And then we have cherries. We have, what is this called?
Avocado salsa.
Salsa. And then, but I can't eat this because it's made with cheese. And I don't even like salsa, so why do I eat it? And then we have more dressings for salad. We have dressings for salad. Then we have this that I used yesterday because I had McDonald's yesterday. You have to have your barbecue sauce on your chicken nuggets and french fries. You have to. It tastes the bomb. Now, can you close this part before the fridge starts to say, the fridge is on, the fridge is on. Yelling. What is this?
It's condensed milk.
Condensed milk. That probably doesn't taste good. Then we have my aunt's Snickers ice cream. She's behind the camera, you can't see her. Then we have, see, I told you. We have chocolate chips that are being crushed. Not crushed. They're like balled together. You know when you put chocolate chips in a fridge for too long and they get crushed? That's what happened. It probably tastes nasty. Then we have jelly. I was looking for this yesterday. I needed to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then we have whatever this is, pudding. I don't like pudding. And then we have a protein shake. Then we have my sour cream. If you guys didn't know, I'm lactose intolerant, so I eat this all my time. And then we have honey mustard. I know the fridge is open. It gives us notifications too. Then we have salad stuff. We gotta do this quick because the fridge is gonna do the thing. Then we have mini cucumbers. We have, what in the, what? No, a humongous orange. It's probably Auntie Denise's. Look, the orange has a belly button. Then we have lemons. I love lemons by itself. People might think they're weird. They taste good. And what are limes? I love lemon and lime. Then we have bread. It's probably stale. Then we have more salsa, creamer, milk, buttermilk. Then we have the kombucha that I told you about. That's called ginger ale, as the fridge says. That's spoiled. Don't drink it. Then we have... Stop! I know that the fridge is open. I'm the one in it. Now, we have this... What is it called? Lemon juice. I love lemon juice. It tastes so good. Then... Oh. Then we have these pretty containers with blueberries. I hate blueberries. We went blueberry picking a second ago. These, ooh, grapes. I love grapes. Then we have strawberries. I don't like strawberries. My mommy does. And so does my aunt. Oh, and then we have peppers. Stop telling me the fridge is open. Let's just lose my Miranda singing voice. Now we have the dairy. Eggs. I cooked them for breakfast by myself. Then we have more eggs. I know, we like eggs. Don't judge. And what's my Miranda singing voice? And then we have butter. More butter. Is this not the biggest thing you've ever seen in life? Like, who has this much butter? Who needs it? And then we have this container of butter. I actually think it's empty. Oh no, it's not empty. It's actually new. And what is this? This isn't even quarter right finished. Then we have bacon. I ate this for breakfast. Then we have cheese that I can eat because it's plant-based. Then we have more cheese that the rest of the house eats. Then we have, what is this called? Cream cheese that with jelly. Then we have more of my cheddar cheese. And then we have a slice of their cheese. Why is it here? Take it back. We have more of my cheese. Is this my cheese? Is this my cheese? No, it's not my cheese. And then we have butter. That's very hard. It hurts. You can't open it anymore. Then we have very hard chocolate. Still tastes good. I'm eating that today. Then we have ham. No, turkey. Sorry. And then we have, whatever this is, veggie dip. We have more cheese and my cheese. Now let's move on to the freezer. Things are very cold in here, so bear with me. So I have my pizza. No, not my pizza. Pizza that I can't eat. Then I have my pizza. My pizza is smaller than the regular pizza. That's fine. And then we have Gatorade that my aunt didn't eat and I want it. So we have hot dogs, pizza stuff over there, and then we have waffles, like buns, fruits over there, and then we have ice cream here with cheese and whatever this is. And I have 3 parts. Wayne's waiting outside. The fridge shows like rain. That's the end of my fridge tour. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when I'm on new videos come out. I really enjoyed doing this with you guys, and I hope you did too. Have a dashing day!